War Day number 833. 833 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome to today in the daily newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 5th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 4-star letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. Now I will start with these regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 8657. 8657, yeah. We position the newspaper. Okay. 8657. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Well. A 3 stars puzzle has always 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above from that row. The only place level 9 should be there. 9. 5, 7. 7 in this row, third row. 7 in the second row from the first row. The only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Alright. In this big square we need a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 3 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, third column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. So the only place level 7 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 5, it should be there. 3, 1, 8, 7. Well, in this row we need a 7. Here can be 7, we have 7 in the first column, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there we see another 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 7, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. No. Missing 1 7, 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers, final 2 7s. Digit number 1, number 7, okay. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Alright. 8. Need 2 here. Need 2 there. Interesting, interesting. We have 3 here. We have 3 there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 4, ace should be there. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 4, ace should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 3 is should be there. Need a 3 there. Then need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yeah. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 4, it should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, ace should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Okay. Alright, and now. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the first row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 6. Should be there. And we have a pair, the 3 and the 6 in this row. The 3 and the 6 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left on 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for the model. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 5, okay. Alright, now 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so in the row between. Second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then do we have all the 2s? No, 2, 2. How about the 2, 2? Okay. How about the 6 then? No, 6. Need a 6 there. All right. What? 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, the 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left, and 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between, the second column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Well. Quick one to solve. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well, we please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.